3023 Broadway. Tenant states that the water coming in is not coming in from underneath the door, but is coming in here, and then later comes in here. We have a condition where we have a porous concrete foundation. You can see it all the way in the back there. It looks like look like pebbles and rocks. So as that retaining wall was poured, what's happening is that this area here, which has no floor drain and the water has no egress point, will travel to this location here. And once it gets into the ground, it keeps saturating, and then once this is fully saturated, what happens is the hydrostatic pressure then pushes into the building. Water travels to the point of least resistance. And when it goes the other way, it comes out here, and you can actually see the water staying here. And it goes to this catch basin in the back, which is collapsed. Seems like it's still functioning, but that's where the water is currently going. So we can see already we have some structural issues here. It's bowed out. This is getting washed out, and it's affecting the structural integrity of this slab. Over the years, as everything is washing out, you can see how this concrete slab has fallen in. What we would do is we would install a drain here, and this pad would come out. We'd install a drain or maybe a trench drain here, and more than likely what will happen is we'll have it drain out here into this catch basin because we really don't have anywhere else for it to go. That will exacerbate this problem a little, but it'll solve this problem. And this is an easy fix. No big deal, easy to handle. The larger issue is this issue here. Because the rainwater off of the roof was going into this storm here, and I'm sure that's connected to that drain tile. This has been cut off and now moved into the alley in order to not exacerbate this problem. So I'm sure there's I'm also wondering where the water here comes, because this is sloped down and this is our low point. What would be great is if we can get it out and into the alley. So if this area could be raised, all of this could be raised, and then the water could naturally go that way, that would be a very cost-effective solution to this immediate problem. Still doesn't solve for that, but ultimately it solves the issue of the water coming in the back. All of these rust stains here are indicative of this catching water. What should be done is a little drain should be installed here, and this water should get run off so that this doesn't further deteriorate. When this water gets inside, it's going against the building and it's causing, deterioration unnecessarily and prematurely. So we'd like to get this water drain here and just get that moved off.